OMG guys, it's been a year since we had our first collab for Baby It's Cold Outside, and we are doing it again, and everyone is invited. And of course, I'll be hosting this with the Daughters of Destiny, my wonderful sisters. And what we're asking this year is that you style or decorate or prepare what brings you warmth and comfort during the colder months. Maybe a cozy corner or nook in your home where you read books, a fireplace or tablescape, even a warm beverage or comfort food. I just can't wait to see what you guys do because you're all so fantastic. So we're asking that you upload on Sunday, November 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're also asking that you use our hashtag BabyIt'sColdOutside 2021 so we'll be able to locate your videos on the platform and add them to the playlist. Please, if you can, be courteous to other participants and observe YouTube etiquette and get your video up the day of and on time. We really appreciate it. So I can't wait to see what you guys do. I want to thank you in advance for your participation. And guys, if you're gonna participate, please let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to see who participates or even just supports. We appreciate you, and I'll see you at the collab, and thank you for watching.